chickpea slices. First off, I've got about 160 grams of chocolate. It's just cheap Aldi milk chocolate. Sophia's going to put it in the microwave on a medium heat for a couple of minutes, and she's going to keep an eye on it till make sure it gets melted and doesn't burn. In the blender, Menon's going to put a tin of chickpeas. These have been drained and rinsed. We're going to add half a cup of plain yogurt. And would you like to crack in 3 eggs for me? Half. And we're just going to pop in the 3 eggs that Menon's cracked for us. And then we hope and pray that the blender can take it all. Just want to blend it in until it's looking fairly smooth. Right, so we've got the melted chocolate here. And the chickpea mixture here. And do you want to pour or mix?
Pour.
Okay, just pour it slowly in.
Hit to like and subscribe below.
Bye! Okay.